Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can contact your Instagram support. It's pretty simple. So the first way is open up your Instagram and then physically shake your phone. So there is a shake feature in Instagram which allows you to report any issue once you shake your phone. So just physically shake your phone and it's going to show you this. So you can now click on report a problem and click on include and continue. And basically a screenshot of a screen is going to be shown, and now you can report any problem you want and click on send at the top right, and basically the problem will be reported to Instagram. And that is one way to contact Instagram support. The other way is you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen on Instagram and then click on the three line at the top and go on versus settings. From inside setting you can see the option called help at the end. Click on it, and from over here you can click on report a problem to report a problem, or you can click on help center and it'll open up Instagram's help center. Now from over here you can click on search and ask for any question you want, and it's going to tell you answer on how to fix that issue. That's another way to contact Instagram support. And the other way to contact Instagram support is just open up your browser and search for Instagram support contact on your browser. After you search for it, it's going to show you Instagram help center. You can click on it, and from over there as well you can contact Instagram support. So these are the way on how you guys can contact Instagram support to help you fix a problem. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Until then, have a nice day.